Hey there, welcome to Speak with Confidence. Today, we're diving into another set of 10 commonly used phrases and their more polite versions. Making small adjustments to your speech can greatly improve the way others perceive you. Let's get started. 1. Don't do that. I'd appreciate it if you didn't do that. Common. Don't do that. Polite. I'd appreciate it if you didn't do that. Usage tip. A softer way to set boundaries while maintaining politeness. 2. Give me a discount. Is there any chance of a discount on this? Common. Give me a discount. Polite. Is there any chance of a discount on this? Usage tip. Sounds more polite when negotiating a price. 3. Lend me some money. Would you mind lending me some money for a short time? Common. Lend me some money. Polite. Would you mind lending me some money for a short time? Usage tip. More respectful and considerate in financial requests. 4. I want a coffee. I would love a coffee if possible. Common. I want a coffee. Polite. I would love a coffee if possible. Usage tip. Sounds more natural and polite in cafes or restaurants. 5. I'm busy. I'm a bit tied up at the moment. Common. I'm busy. Polite. I'm a bit tied up at the moment. Usage tip. A professional way to let someone know you're unavailable. 6. Leave me alone. I'd appreciate a bit of space right now. Common. Leave me alone. Polite. I'd appreciate a bit of space right now. Usage tip. Sounds more respectful while setting boundaries. 7. Sit down. Would you like to take a seat? Common. Sit down. Polite. Would you like to take a seat? Usage tip. A courteous way to invite someone to sit. 8. Be quiet. Could we keep the noise down a little? Common. Be quiet. Polite. Could we keep the noise down a little? Usage tip. A respectful way to ask for silence in shared spaces. 9. Pay attention. Could I have your attention for a moment? Common. Pay attention. Polite. Could I have your attention for a moment? Usage tip. More engaging and polite in meetings or group discussions. 10. Shut the door. Would you mind closing the door, please? Common. Shut the door. Polite. Would you mind closing the door, please? Usage tip. Sounds friendlier and more courteous. And there you have it. 10 new polite alternatives to help you sound more professional and respectful. Try using them in your conversations and see the positive impact they make. Which phrase do you use the most? Comment below. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone looking to improve their English. See you in the next video.